Imagine paying millions for a piece of land, only for a group of people to show up years later saying, "This is family land. Pay ratification fee or lose everything."
Here we go again.
Is this a legitimate claim under the law, or simply another attempt to extort an innocent purchaser? Before we talk about the fees, let's understand why this situation arises in the first place. The real issue is not the ratification fee. The real issue is authority.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
When land belonging to a family is sold, the law generally requires that the sale to be authorized by the family head and the principal members of the family. Where this was not done, and some family members sold the land without proper authority, that sale may be defective. In other words, the family is not simply demanding money. They are saying that the persons who sold the land had no authority to do so, and that the transaction needs to be validated or confirmed by those who actually hold that authority. This is why the demand sometimes has legal weight and why it cannot always be dismissed as extortion. However, in Lagos, the law places important limits on what can be demanded and by whom. Under Section 11 of the Lagos State Properties Protection Law 2016, a landowning family acting under the authorization of the family head is permitted to demand customary fee for possession from a buyer. The law refers to these as foundation levy. So this is a recognized entitlement under the law. But ordinarily, persons acting without authority of the family head cannot validly make such demands on behalf of the family. Ratification fee. A ratification fee is separate from a foundation levy and carries a higher legal threshold. Section 11 prohibits anyone claiming an interest in land from demanding or collecting a ratification fee, except where the law specifically permits it. For example, when the demand is backed by a judgment from a court of competent jurisdiction. This means if someone demands a ratification fee from you, you should ask, is there a court judgment or any other legal basis authorizing this demand? If they cannot provide a proper legal basis, the demand has no legal foundation and you are not automatically obliged to pay it. What does this mean for you as a buyer? When someone approaches you demanding fees in connection with family land, ask, are you the family head or are you acting under the express authorization of the family head? Is this a foundation levy or ratification fee? What is the legal basis for this demand? If it is a ratification fee, is there a court judgment authorizing it? Because the law does not protect those who pay without asking the right questions. A few questions today may save you millions tomorrow.